Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to Quick Maths, where we make maths fast and fun. My name is Missy Cheetah. Today I'm going to show you another question on algebraic proofs. I've already done one question if you want to go back and have a look at the video. So this is my second question on algebraic proofs. This question comes on your paper from anything from 2 to 3 marks. These questions are not hard. Only skills you need in these questions is one is expanding double bracket, two is collecting like terms. And then just third one is just making up the answer. How do we actually justify our answer? Well, every time these questions come, make sure that you have a look at or you write at the top left hand side. If I show you here, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So if you need to justify your answer at the end or you just need to prove anything, don't forget to write a sentence at the end. So how you got your answer. We are going to make a start, so don't forget to grab your notebook and pen. Let's get started. So I have, as I always say, always rewrite the questions so you understand what you have or what you're doing. Now I'm going to use a formula. You can also use double bracket to expand, but I'm going to use the formula to expand these brackets. So I have 4n squared plus 1 minus 4n. Then I'm going to keep my second term actually I'm expanding this bracket. I'm going to keep it in a bracket because I have minus at the front. So I'm going to write n squared plus 9 and then I have 6n. Open up the brackets. When I open up the brackets, I have a minus at the front, so inside going to change. So n squared, so that's give me minus 9. That will give me plus 6n. Now I'm going to collect my like terms. 4n minus n gives me 3n squared. Plus 1 minus 9 gives me minus 8. 4n plus 6n gives me plus 2n. Just going to write in order. And here we go, we're done. Right, so if you look at your right hand side, you have two factors and then you have minus 7. I'm going to write minus 8 to the side. Now I'm going to break this down into minus 1 and minus 7 because I need minus 7 in my answer. So I'm going to replace my minus 8 with minus 1 and minus 7. Put this in a bracket and leave your minus side outside. We're going to factorize this so we can get 3n minus 1 and n plus 1. So when you do this one, when you factorize this, I'm going to use the AC method. So AC method. So if you're not sure how to use the AC method, you can go back to my YouTube channel and watch the video how to use AC method to factorize any quadratic. So I'm going to write it here, 3n squared plus 2n. So we have a little bit of a space. So multiply 3 with minus 1. When I multiply 3 with minus 1, I get minus 3. Going to get two factors of minus 3. 1 and 3, that's the only two factors I have. Going to check my condition, which one is going to be minus, but always remember if this is plus and this is minus, so your smaller factor is going to be minus. But don't forget to check your conditions. So 1 minus 1 times 3 gives me minus 3, satisfy my first condition. Minus 1 plus 3 satisfied my second condition, it gives me plus 2. So we're going to rewrite our equation. So 3n squared, doesn't matter which factor you write first, minus 1n plus 3n minus 1. When I say rewrite, means your 2n is now broken down into minus 1n plus 3n. So factorize the first two, factorize the last two. So n comes outside. You go left with 3n minus 1. I'm going to take plus 1 outside, 3n minus 1. If these two factors are exactly the same, which is a common factor, that means your question is correct. So I'm going to write my common factor first. After that, this n and plus 1 is my second factor. Come back to my question here. So write your factors, 3n minus 1, n plus 1 minus 7. If you look at the top, your right hand side is equals to your left hand side, or you can say your left hand side is exactly the same as your right hand side. Here we go, and I'm done. Hope that helps. See you soon. Bye bye.